Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can recover your Facebook password without using your email or your phone number. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile, and then on your Facebook app, log in to your friend's account with which you're added to the account you're trying to recover, or make a new account, and then on the search bar, search for your old account. After you've opened your old account, tap on the three dotted icon that appears beside the message button, and then you can see the URL that appears on the bottom of your screen. You simply tap on the copy link button. After your link has been copied, you go back, open Google browser, and then on the search bar, type facebook.com. After that, as you can see, a web version of my Facebook has been opened. If it doesn't open like this in yours, you simply go to the three dotted icon, and then you can see that desktop site has been enabled for my page. If it isn't enabled in yours, you simply tap on the tick mark that appears on the side of the desktop site option, and then you'll get this view. Go ahead and then paste the URL on the email or address phone number box, and then over here what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and remove all these unnecessary information and then enter the old password that you remember. After that, you simply go ahead, tap on log in, and as you can see, this window pops up where it says that you've entered an old password and your password was changed about a year ago. So what you're going to do is you tap on forgotten password. Now it will give you two options, either to send a login code to your email or send a login code to your phone number. As you can see, there's an email account given, but this is not my email account. So for this to recover my Facebook password, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go to the search bar again and type compromised Facebook. You hit enter and then tap on the first link that appears, which is report compromised account. You tap on it. After that, you can see the option over here, my account is compromised. Tap on it, and then you can see that the option for your Facebook ID is given over here. You simply tap on it. Over here, what I do is I select on I can't see the right option in this list, and then tap on continue. After this, you tap on get started. What this does is it helps to keep your Facebook account secure, and what they do is they check for any recent changes on your Facebook account. After that, you simply go ahead and select the option that relates to you. After that, you simply tap on continue again. After that, it will request you to change your password. You type the new password and then retype the new password, and then tap on this continue button, and then you'll be shown these email addresses that are associated with your Facebook. If you want to delete these emails, you can simply tap on the delete button that appears beside it, and then you will be logged in to your Facebook account from your mobile. As easy as that. And if you want to log in from the app, you simply type the new password that you've set on your phone, and then you'll be able to recover your Facebook account without using email or your phone number. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.